Have you ever glanced at the clock and noticed it's 5:55, or perhaps you've come across the number 555 in a way that felt too coincidental to ignore? Well, you're not alone. Today, we're diving into the intriguing world of angel numbers, focusing specifically on the powerful significance of the number 555. In this video, we'll unravel the hidden meanings behind this enigmatic number and explore why it has captured the attention of spiritual seekers and numerology enthusiasts alike. Did you know that 555 isn't just a random sequence, but a cosmic sign signaling profound transformation and change? We'll reveal some lesser-known facts about how this number can influence your life, guiding you toward new beginnings and unexpected opportunities. Stick around till the end, as we'll share practical insights on how to harness the energy of 555 to manifest your desires and navigate the shifts occurring in your life. Welcome to Success Secret Unveiled, where we uncover the mysteries of success and spirituality. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button so you never miss out on our latest revelations. Before we talk about the significance of the number 555, it's essential to understand its core meanings. The number 555 is a powerful symbol that embodies change, freedom, and adventure. When this number appears in your life, it often signifies that a pivotal transformation is on the horizon. As you embrace this change, you might find yourself feeling a renewed sense of freedom, as if the universe is encouraging you to break free from old habits and limitations. This energy invites you to step outside your comfort zone and explore new horizons. The essence of 555 resonates with the spirit of adventure, urging you to take risks and pursue your passions with enthusiasm. Furthermore, 555 holds a significant place in the realm of positive transformations and new beginnings. It serves as a reminder that even in times of uncertainty, change can lead to opportunities for growth and self-discovery. When you see this number, it's like receiving a gentle nudge from the universe, reminding you that it's time to embrace the unfolding journey ahead. Each time 555 shows up, it signals that the old is making way for the new. You may find that relationships, career paths, or even personal beliefs begin to shift, clearing the way for fresh starts and exciting prospects. The vibrational energy of 555 encourages you to trust the process and remain open to the possibilities that change brings. This number is not just about chaos or upheaval, it's about the potential for evolution and the liberation that comes from letting go of what no longer serves you. In this way, 555 becomes a beacon of hope, guiding you toward a life filled with purpose, adventure, and the freedom to be your true self. Before we talk about why you might be seeing the number 555, it's crucial to understand that this occurrence is not merely a coincidence, it's a profound message from the universe. The repeated appearance of 555 serves as a reminder that you are on the brink of significant change, signaling that the cosmos is aligning in your favor. As you encounter this number, take a moment to pause and reflect on your current life situation. What aspects of your life are you feeling restless about? Are there areas where you sense a need for growth or a shift? Seeing 555 encourages you to dive deeper into your feelings and thoughts, urging you to explore what changes may be necessary to bring you closer to your true path. This message can be particularly relevant when you're facing challenges or feeling stuck. The universe is prompting you to assess your circumstances and recognize that transformation is not only possible but imminent. By acknowledging the signs, you open yourself up to the potential for positive change and new opportunities that lie ahead. It's important to remember that these messages are deeply personal. Each instance of seeing 555 may resonate differently with you depending on your unique experiences and current journey. Whether you are contemplating a new job, a relationship change, or a personal project, 555 invites you to trust your intuition and take the necessary steps toward your goals. So the next time you spot the number 555, don't dismiss it as mere coincidence. Instead, view it as a call to action, an invitation from the universe to embrace the possibilities of transformation and to seek the peace that comes from following your true path. Reflecting on your life in this way can lead to deeper understanding and alignment with your highest self. Before we talk about the positive changes that lie ahead with the appearance of 555, it's vital to recognize that this number is a clear indicator that transformative energies are at play in your life. When you encounter 555, it often signifies that you are entering a period where positive changes are not just possible, but imminent. These changes can manifest in various areas, beginning with your career. If you've been contemplating a shift in your professional path or feeling unfulfilled in your current role, seeing 555 encourages you to take bold steps toward new opportunities. Whether it's pursuing a passion project, seeking a promotion, or even changing jobs altogether, the universe is signaling that now is the time to align your work with your true calling. Relationships are another significant aspect where the energy of 555 can bring about positive transformation. You may find that existing relationships are evolving, whether it's deepening connections with loved ones or releasing those that no longer serve you. This number prompts you to be open to new friendships and alliances that can enrich your life, providing support and encouragement as you navigate your journey. Personal growth is also at the forefront when you see 555. This number invites you to embark on a journey of self-discovery and healing. You may feel a surge of motivation to explore new interests, develop new skills, or engage in practices that foster your well-being. Embracing this period of personal evolution can lead to a greater sense of fulfillment and joy in your everyday life. As you open yourself to these changes, trust that the universe is guiding you toward experiences that resonate with your authentic self. Positive transformations are on the horizon, and with them comes the potential for a richer, more meaningful existence. Embrace the energy of 555 and prepare to welcome the positive changes that await you. Before we talk about taking action toward your goals and dreams, it's essential to understand that seeing the number 555 is a powerful nudge from the universe urging you to move forward. This is not just a call to reflect on your desires, it's an invitation to take tangible steps toward manifesting them in your life. As you embrace this energy, it's vital to be open to new opportunities and experiences that may arise. The universe often presents pathways that you may not have considered before, and being receptive can lead to exciting possibilities. Whether it's a chance meeting with someone who inspires you, a job offer that aligns with your passions, or a new hobby that sparks joy, every opportunity can be a stepping stone toward your dreams. Taking action means stepping outside your comfort zone. It encourages you to pursue your passions with vigor, to say yes to adventures that expand your horizons, and to take risks that could lead to personal and professional growth. When you see 555, recognize that the universe is aligning to support your journey, and it's up to you to harness that energy. Remember, taking action doesn't always require a grand gesture. It can be as simple as setting small, achievable goals or incorporating new habits into your daily routine. Each step you take, no matter how small, brings you closer to the life you envision. So let the number 555 be your motivator. Trust in the journey ahead, stay open to the possibilities, and take proactive steps toward your aspirations. The universe is encouraging you to embrace change and take charge of your destiny. Before we talk about overcoming limiting beliefs, it's important to recognize how these beliefs can hinder your ability to embrace the changes that come with seeing the number 555. Often we carry internal narratives that tell us we're not capable or deserving of the transformations we desire. To fully step into the positive changes awaiting you, it's crucial to clear these mental blocks. Recognizing your limiting beliefs is the first step toward overcoming them. Take a moment to reflect on the thoughts that arise when you consider pursuing your goals. Do you tell yourself that you're not good enough or that change is too risky? Identifying these beliefs allows you to challenge their validity and create a more empowering narrative. One simple strategy for overcoming limiting beliefs is to practice positive affirmations. Replace negative thoughts with affirmations that reinforce your capabilities and potential. For instance, saying, "I am worthy of success and happiness." It can help shift your mindset and foster a more positive outlook. Another effective technique is visualization. Spend time imagining yourself successfully navigating the changes you wish to see in your life. Picture the feelings of joy, fulfillment, and accomplishment that come with achieving your goals. This practice can help retrain your brain to accept these possibilities as real and attainable. Additionally, surround yourself with supportive individuals who encourage growth and positivity. Engaging with like-minded people can help reinforce your beliefs in yourself and your ability to embrace change. Sharing your goals with others can also create accountability, making it easier to take action and challenge limiting thoughts. Finally, consider journaling as a way to explore and release limiting beliefs. Write down the beliefs that hold you back and then counter them with evidence of your strengths and past successes. This process can illuminate the truth of your capabilities and help you move forward with confidence. By actively working to clear these limiting beliefs, you open yourself to the transformative energy of 555. Embracing change becomes not just a possibility, but a path to a more fulfilling and empowered life. Before we talk about manifestation techniques, let's explore one particularly powerful method that aligns perfectly with the energy of 555, the 55x5 manifestation technique. This technique harnesses the transformative power of repetition and focus, allowing you to actively manifest your desires into reality. The 55x5 method involves writing down a specific positive affirmation related to your goal 55 times for 5 consecutive days. This practice not only helps to clarify your intentions, but also reinforces the belief in your ability to achieve them. When you write, you engage both your mind and body, creating a tangible connection to your desires. To begin, identify a specific desire you wish to manifest. It could be related to your career, relationships, or personal growth. Formulate a clear and positive affirmation that encapsulates this desire. For example, if you wish to attract abundance, your affirmation might be, "I am effortlessly attracting abundance into my life every day." Once you have your affirmation, set aside time each day to write it down 55 times. Find a quiet space where you can focus without distractions. As you write, allow yourself to feel the emotions associated with achieving your desire. Visualize what your life will look like when this affirmation becomes your reality. This emotional engagement amplifies the manifestation process, aligning your energy with your intention. In addition to the 55x5 technique, it's essential to maintain a mindset of positivity and openness throughout the process. Stay attuned to opportunities and signs from the universe that may guide you toward your goals. By actively participating in your manifestation journey, you cultivate a sense of empowerment and connection to the energy of 555. As you engage with these techniques, remember that consistency and belief in your affirmations are key. The more you practice, the stronger your manifestation abilities become. Embrace the excitement of this process and watch as your desires begin to unfold in your life. In conclusion, remember that the universe is always supporting you on your journey, and embracing change can lead to incredible benefits. The energy of 555 serves as a powerful reminder that transformation is not only possible, but also essential for your growth and fulfillment. As you navigate this path, trust the process and stay positive, knowing that each step you take brings you closer to your dreams. Now that you have these insights and techniques at your disposal, it's time to take action. Embrace the opportunities that come your way and let go of any limiting beliefs that may hold you back. Your journey toward manifesting your desires has begun. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and share it with others who may benefit. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more content that empowers you on your path to success. Thank you for watching, and we look forward to seeing you in our next video.